Hi, this is Aaron from Taylor & Sons Chevrolet, doing a walk-around video on our 2017 GMC Canyon Denali edition with the Duramax diesel. As you can see from the video, we're just having a nice, lovely North Idaho day here, rain coming down, so I'll do my best to show this nice little canyon we got. Moving over to the vehicle here, she's in really good shape all the way around. A few things that I could find to point out. The running boards, chrome running boards, she does have a few nicks and dings on the underside of that chrome from rocks being kicked up. You can see that from the video. But other than that, she looks really good. Continue to go around here. There's just some ever so minor rock chips right here and here, very small, kind of what you'd expect from driving down the road in North Idaho and having a few rocks kicked up along the way at some point. Really overall pretty good shape. Chrome looks good. Tow hooks, bottom skirt around the bumper, everything looks pretty good shape there. Again, I mean, just the ever so small rock chip on the front. Rims and tires looking really good shape. Not a lot of rock dings on those or imperfections. Tires good shape. Underside, not a lot of corrosion or anything like that to worry about. It seems like the running board on the passenger side is in better shape. Not sure why that would be. Probably just which side of the road the majority of the rocks were coming up, but that one looks in better shape. Coming down the back again, just ever so slight rock chip on the wheel well on the passenger side. Rear bumper had just an ever so small scuff there and here along the receiver hitch. But other than that, tailgate, everything looks really good. A lined bed in the back looks good. And just a little itty bitty scuff here as well on that rear driver's side bumper. Again, rims and tires look good. Underside frame, everything looks in real good shape. Open it up. Interior looks excellent in this vehicle, almost new. I would almost say that it is brand new condition. Floor liners throughout, very nice. Just a little itty bitty scuff here, might even buff out. Doesn't look like much, actually wiped majority off. Really good. Driver's side, again, door panel on the driver's side. Driver's seat. Everything looks really nice. Steering wheel, dash, gauge cluster, everything on this vehicle looks almost in new condition. Looks really nice. Moving around. Passenger seat. Console. Like I said, looks really good. Moving around the back of the mirror caps, chrome, looks in real good condition. Hood. Maybe just some very small scuffs on the hood. Engine bay looks really clean, well-maintained vehicle. Moving around, passenger side. Door panel looks really good. Everything's in good condition. Again, those floor mats are nice, especially in weather like we're having today. Seats. Nothing really to point out in the negative here as far as scuffs, dings, nicks, or imperfections. Looks really nice. And that rear passenger side door panel and seats. Alright, well, I'll pull away for a quick overview, but there you have it. Our 2017 GMC Canyon Denali edition. Do appreciate your interest. I hope this video did it justice, being that it's pouring rain out here and windy. Again, thanks. Appreciate the interest. Have a great day.